Hey everybody, this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com, and in case you didn't know, the Dow Jones is down. Dow Jones is down. I think you already knew that though, because the markets did get beat up. And in this week's scouting report, what we're going to be talking about is how some of the catalysts for this market drop, specifically the interest rates and more importantly the trade tariffs, are going to affect the market. We can obviously see the market's got some fear in its sentiment, and we're going to see if the market recovers quickly or if we see some continued fear and concerns that send these indices lower. Now, we're going to address very specifically how we can potentially capitalize off of these trade tariffs and look at how they might affect individual corporations in addition to how they affect entire sectors and industry groups, and how we can potentially again capitalize off of that. So if you are curious to find out how the current news affects the individual securities, we've got a couple examples of that for you in this week's stock report. See you inside.